Doc T here. Today we're putting up with cold weather with some cold weather hot tub survival tips. First thing, when it gets down to where the temperature and it feels like temperature is 0 below, make sure you got gloves to bring out to your hot tub so that you can have your hands protected while you're taking off the cover, and we bring the stairs in and out so that you can carry those stairs, do all those things. Wear some kind of shoes that you can either take off right as you're going in or wear into the tub. Water shoes or clogs if it's not too cold. And the other thing is, make sure you got plenty of love and a mug of hot blood. You're putting up with Doc T dealing with this cold winter weather. Oh man, that is nice.